Good morning, guys. It is Friday. Can't believe the week just flew by. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a simple self-portrait. Let's get it going. Not too bad on the first try. Alright, so we're on location. We're just at my school's parking lot. And to do this very simple self-portrait, you're not going to need a lot. The only things you need are a tripod to hold your camera and your camera. Any other additional accessories which would be helpful would be this Canon 70D right here, because I'm able to sync it up with my phone so I can go to the location where I want to be in, set it up, and then just click on the timer, put my phone away, and then take the picture. But any other cameras, like a regular point and shoot, a T3i even, you have the 10-second timer, a 2-second timer, so that'll give you time to get to your spot and pose for the picture. You could also use a remote to sync up with your camera, and then you can also use an off-camera flash, a flash if it's dim light, low light situations. But the only thing we're going to use today is the 70D and a tripod. Okay, so I'm in position now, and I'm going to sync up with my phone, and we'll take a picture. So pose.